thanks for making this an incredible day. I am looking forward to tomorrow. So bye, everyone who has to leave us. Bye-bye. And the rest of you, please stay if you want to. We're here. And you can turn on your microphones even. I'll say hello to Joni and Will Hall. Wow, it's great to have you with us. And Brian Jard, it's great to have you with us. What a day. What a day.
Linda and Evelyn, I want to say I am so glad to be here and to reconnect with you. Thank you so, so much. You have no idea how you have lightened my heart.
Grace, I really, so long. It's so great to see you.
And I feel like, wow, here's a silver lining of COVID. At least I'm able to see you on Zoom. And let's hope next time it'll be in person, please God.
Welcome, Grace. You look great.
Grace, it was great to be in the same room as you.
It's a pleasure, really, Isabel. We had some really good discussions, didn't we?
Yeah, it was very productive.
Yes, it was. It's true. It's true. I enjoyed it. And I really appreciated people's different perspectives on things. Yeah, it was lovely.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
I'm a new guy, my first time. And I just want to say how grateful I am to be around so many like-minded people. It's like striking to me, and it's just wonderful. Thanks.
Welcome, Gershon. Welcome. Thanks for diving right in there. That's wonderful. That's wonderful.
Thank you so much from us too, from Hamelin. It was so interesting for us. We are the first time that we are joining this conference. Thank you so much, Navanita, for your wonderful singing and for all the organizement of this.
Regina, I know that you can sing also. You are such a good singer yourself. Basically, we would like to ask you to sing, perhaps tomorrow.
Well, I would like to sing with Navanita, yes, but it's not possible with Zoom conference, so we can't sing together. So it was better to listen. But that was very nice.
But it would fit, that's sure.
Thank you, Regina.
Thank you so much.
Thank you from my part as well, Andrea. And it was so good for me because I had so much trouble in my other group where I am engaged, and here it was really the opposite of what happened to me yesterday, for example, and that was so kind and so warm, and I feel so good now. I was at first, we are a little bit shy because the first time here international, that's really, we're a bit excited, but it's, you're all so close. It seems that you are our neighbors and not in all parts of the world.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. Wonderful.
Yes,
Thank you. I see Veronica.
May I just say a word, because these, I'm now in Hamelin in Germany, in the same place where also Regina and Andrea are, and unfortunately we cannot see their faces because they seem not to have light. It is
so shy.
It is, yeah, it is deep, deep in the evening here. It's black outside, so you don't have light, it seems. No electric light in Germany anymore. Finished.
Okay, I hope they get some. I hope they get some light in Germany soon. But thank you, Regina. Thank you for joining us. Veronica, do you want to say hello? I see you have a very young Digna gardener there. Who is that, Veronica?
I really want to say thank you to Evelyn and Linda and of course, Professor Perling. He introduced me to HDSD since 2010. And it was just so heartwarming to see him. I haven't seen him for so many years. I'm also very grateful that this opportunity that COVID has given us, opportunity to be able to see each other through this Zoom. It's been quite an adventure. I think I try to keep Linda Evelyn updated with what's going on in my life, but the most exciting thing is now I'm married and I have a 2-year-old, or we have a 2-year-old. So since COVID, I've had to take care of him fully. In fact, since he was born, he's been attending probably over 20 conferences and breastfeeding as he attends these conferences. I'm just trying to make a statement that motherhood is more complicated and real, and we should stop pretending that kids don't exist. Like, they're part of our world as professional people. So I take him everywhere, I breastfeed him everywhere, and he's part of my life. And especially now with COVID, that my husband has to work full time to look after us, and I'm not working. And so he's pretty much in my environment 24/7. So I'm grateful for the opportunity and to be in a certain where everybody have similar ideas, similar thoughts, and very warm, welcoming and warm. So thank you. And I'm really, really blessed to be part of this group. So thank you.
We're thankful for you, Veronica. That is so wonderful. And yes, we get to live whole lives through Zoom.
Oh, this is Aiden. Sorry, I didn't introduce him. Very shy.
Aiden, we'd like to learn how much he learned from those 20 conferences that he's attended so far. He must be a genius by now, but thank you for introducing Aiden to all of us. Does anyone else have a comment or would like to share a little bit? Just wave your hand at me and I'll call on you. Chippa, thank you for bringing Navanita to our group. Wow. Hi, Chippa.
I would like to have a photo.
Well, so tomorrow we have another singer too, Christine. Probably we will. We should. Yeah,
Yes.
we have Christine tomorrow. Yeah.
Wow.
Okay, time today. Whoever wants to.
Hey, Chippa.
Yeah.
Christine, will you sing for us tomorrow?
Sure, why not?
Oh, yeah. Christine, you have to, I remember so much you singing without words. You remember?
Yeah.
Please, I loved that. Oh, I will never forget. It was beautiful.
Something to look forward to. Good to see you, Christine. Thank you for sharing your singing. Who else
Good
would
to
like
see
to?
you.
Any other? Oh, Martha. Martha, you're going to give us a little de-stressification exercise tomorrow. I'm going to use it during the coffee break. So it's good to see you.
Great to see everybody. It's funny, right before Veronica spoke, I was like, I love seeing the span of ages in the group and just that it is a wholeness of humanity, that we have little Aiden with us as well as some of us with whitening hair. So yes, really beautiful. It's great to be together. And I'm loving meeting more people from around the world. You know, when we're in New York, sometimes people can only be from the greater New York area with Evelyn representing everybody else, and Linda coming from across the country. I miss Rich, and I think it'd be great if you would send love to him.
I will. Thank you.
Great. Thank you for everything.
He's watching over my 90-year-old father right now. Evelyn and I both have 90-year-old fathers in the background, and we're kind of doing double duty. But they are doing pretty well, huh, Evelyn? It's rather amazing. They're some of the most.
My father just called on me. You know, he normally prays in the evening, and I neglected him. And he is, you know, in his pajamas, and he wants to pray, and I have to tell him that I have no time.
Tell him we're all praying with him.
Very good. Thank you, Martha. Martha, any other want to make a comment? Anna, I want to thank you for your photography in the background. We love you for that. Thank you so much.
Perhaps everybody who wants could turn on his video so that we can get on the photo.
Get another photo by turning on your video. Anybody who wants to.
Yes.
Yeah.
And Regina and Andrea would have to switch on the German light.
Yeah, so on the first screen, I would need Navanita, Regina, Ryan, and who's between Regina and Marilyn Langlois? Okay. I need everyone to turn on their screen before the photo, or it looks.
Here we are.
You can hide non-participant video. I can turn them off.
How do you do that?
Michael Boyer, yeah, and Brian Gerard.
Yeah, so Brian, if Brian can put on his video, we're good to go for a series of quick photos.
Hey, I'm looking at how I might be able to turn off non-participant videos without upsetting the apple cart here.
Just go into any one that's just a name and not a photo. Go to their 3 dots and you'll see a little option.
Thank you.
Yes, I did that. I clicked on all of them. So
Okay.
far, it didn't yet work. Perhaps they're not there.
Okay. It looks like we almost, Howard, can you put on your video, please? Okay.
There we go.
I think that we have everyone on screen. So let's do a series of photos. So is it okay on the count of 3 if you unmute and you say 1, 2, 3, and then you say dignity? Because I just feel like that makes for the best pictures. We're going to do a series of these, okay?
Hang on just a second.
Ready? Inhale.
Can I check with Georg? Georg, did you have something that you wanted to say?
Okay.
No. I just wanted to wave.
Okay. Okay, Anna, great. All right, we're in business. Anna,
Navanita, don't go away. Yeah.
I'm here.
1, 2, 3. Dignity.
Dignity.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Dignity. Do a series of hearts like Linda and Evelyn are doing, but make them under your face. 1, 2, 3. Love.
love.
Let's do another love one. 1, 2, 3. Love. Okay, and now let's do peace.
Oh.
1, 2, 3. Peace. Okay, another one. 1, 2, 3. Peace. Can anyone think of any affirmative, positive words they want to throw out for our last 2 pictures?
Hope. Hope.
Hope. That's a great one. Okay.
Ice cream.
Okay. 2, 3. Hope.
What about Tony? We want to see
We
Tony.
have to do. We're gonna do one more hope, and then we're gonna do ice cream.
What about Tony? We want to see Tony, don't we?
I think Tony's already gone. Oh, no, there he is.
Oh, he's here.
1, 2, 3. Hope.
Go.
Okay, now we're gonna do ice cream and then abolish the police. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Ice cream.
Cream.
And now Tony, for Tony, abolish the police. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Abolish the
Police,
police.
police.
Wow.
How about one more? Justice. Okay.
Justice. Yeah.
Justice.
2, 3.
Justice.
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 Okay, thank you, everyone. Let's hope we have a few good photos in there.
And so with that, I'm going to thank all of you. What an amazing day. Thanks for sticking around to check in. Oh, we can see you better, Regina. And oh, I'm so happy to see you from Germany. And we're looking forward to tomorrow. And Marilyn, thanks for being with us. And Isabel and all of you. Karen, I know the camera is still a little bit of a problem, but we hope we get to start over tomorrow. And hopefully we'll get some bugs out. But thank you for making it an amazing day, everyone. And go out and get some rest and recover, or join Lyndon Harris's wonderful Dignologue session. Bye bye.
I think we have a second page of participants.
Pardon me, Georg?
Oh,
Yes,
we
the
did
second-
have a second. We
second
did
page.
have a second page, but they jumped off. I don't see a second page on my screen.
Yeah, that's
We
the
have
group that
22
they're
participants.
gone. They're gone. They're gone,
Right.
Georg. Yeah,
Okay.
that's it. All right. Nice to see you, Howard. Amazing to me. All right. Bye,
Bye,
everyone.
good night.
Beautiful.
Hi.
Linda, you look like a television moderator.
To be as good as you.
Loved your TV show today.
I'm trying to be as good as you. If I could only see you in action, but doing my best. Bye, everyone. Thanks so much.